Northland winters do challenge us. When the snow starts swirling, many of us just bundle up, head out and grab a shovel, or start the snowblower. But when this lifelong Duluthian sees a winter storm coming, he heads outside for a different reason, and he really looks forward to it.
We'll come out here and clear off the tray.
You see, this Northland native looks at winter through a different lens.
Then it's just a matter of waiting for an interesting flake to fall. Here's one here.
And just a few feet away in his workshop, the magic begins.
Yep, so there's the flake.
Oh yeah, there it is.
And if you see the red outline,
oh sure,
that means it's in focus.
Even the most powerful blizzards begin with a single snowflake, like this, or this, or this. Denny O'Hara is at ease behind a camera, and with it gives the rest of us a microscopic glimpse into another world, a place of unimaginable detail that most of us have never seen. Of photomicrography, simply put, photos taken through a microscope.
Clear ones that I did here.
Among the trillions of snowflakes that fall every single snowstorm, it's kind of like finding a needle in a haystack.
You don't really see it until it comes into focus, and then it's, oh wow, look at that.
When he's not taking award-winning photos of Lake Superior or Split Rock Lighthouse, this Minnesota Power retiree loves to go small, fine-tuning his craft.
Each flake is particular in the way it was formed and in its unique beauty.
Watching this inquisitive innovator work, you quickly realize this is both art and science.
If you consider the physics of a snowflake, it is true. It's impossible for two snowflakes to be exactly the same because each one has taken a separate path through the atmosphere.
Long before that tiny snowflake lands on his tray, it's been on quite a unique journey.
Has encountered different humidity, has encountered different winds, and has traveled through a different type of storm. There we go. Get that up on there.
While the vastness of the universe has become known to us through the Hubble telescope, microphotography takes us in the opposite direction.
The most perfect temperature is 10 to 15 degrees and smaller snowflakes.
To an intricate world that holds as much mystery as the stars.
Oh, look at that, with the star in it. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
The crystalline imagery he captures is mesmerizing, and nothing makes Denny happier than to share this remarkable micro-universe with others.
Capturing images that have a particular beauty, and then when you can present them to people to make them wow, make them feel relaxed or joyful or whatever, that's kind of what it's about.
Creating deep connections to this hidden beauty. We can discover profound insights, a different view of life.
It's really interesting when you turn that lens around and start focusing on the little things.
Seeing life's big picture by looking at these little ones.
The interesting thing about the snowflakes is that you're focusing on something really, really small. And it's just a good way of looking at a perspective of things in a completely different realm.
So the next time you grab that shovel or start up that snowblower, pause for a moment. Catch a snowflake or two. Their beauty might help give you a new perspective on life here in our winter wonderland.